I've been waiting all night.
Hi guys, good morning. Hope you guys are doing well. Oh, look at my skin. My skin is still skinny, you know. I'm still enjoying my skin, okay? My skin is still skinning. But hi guys, good morning. Hope you guys are doing well. So today I am doing a couple of stuff in the house. I think I said this before I traveled, that I needed to do some mini renovations here and there within the house. For instance, I want to repaint my office and Mia's bedroom. Right now I have painters in my house, so they are currently sandpapering my office and they're going to run a fresh coat of paint over it when they are done. The same thing in Mia's room as well. You guys know there's just this feeling of having a fresh coat of paint in your home after like a couple of years. And when we first moved into this apartment, I actually ran paint almost around the house, like the living room, the staircase area, this is our bedroom here, and then the corridor, all right, that connects all the rooms. I ran paint everywhere except my office and Mia's bedroom. So those two rooms are like long overdue for like a little makeover. So they are currently, I'm sure you guys are hearing sha 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 sha, they are currently sandpapering my office right now, after which they would paint and then move to Mia's bedroom. I also ordered some new plants. Guys, see, let me tell you guys something. I have struggled with being a plant mom for the last 3-4 years now, right? And something always happens and my plants always die. Okay, now let me tell you guys, let me go and show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay, this plant, I've had this plant for months, guys. Like, it was a very nice, beautiful plant that used to be right here, right in my living room. I went to London and I was in London for a month, and I told my husband, this plant does not like water. Just spray the leaves once in a while, water just a little bit here, just a little tiny bit, like once a week. It doesn't like water. But I think Jesse does not understand what being a plant parent is all about, because this plant was overwatered and everything fell off. You can see how soft this root is. This whole thing fell off. The same thing here, this whole thing fell off, and obviously this one is weak. So this plant is gone, and this plant cost me a lot of money. So I just said to myself, you know what, I think I'm done with purchasing big life plants, because this has to be like the third or fourth one I've bought. I bought this one around the same time I bought the other one, and this one is still thriving, still doing well, still bringing out like new leaves and stuff, so that's good. But like the rest of my plants, like even my snake plants, those plants don't like water and they were overwatered, so they're all gone, to be honest. They're all gone. This is the only real good surviving plant in my home. But anyway, I have decided I'm going to just go in with artificial plants because I'm tired. That one that's Jesse killed with water is paining me so much. So I'm going to get, or I've already ordered some nice artificial plants, some natural looking artificial plants that will be here and will be on that side, and one in my bedroom as well. This was given to me by a brand sometime earlier in the year, and this is artificial but looks very natural and I love it. So I've ordered a couple of more artificial plants. They'll be coming in later, maybe like around noon. So that's it, guys. That is basically what I'm going to get up to today. Just putting a few things, doing a few things in my house and putting some new things in place. And yeah, that's basically what my day is going to be like. So I'm excited. Okay, so this is all my stuff from my office slash bedroom. I didn't even realize I had a lot of stuff in my office until now. But yeah, anyway, this is everything. Well, except my wardrobe, things in my wardrobe and things in my drawers. We just basically closed the wardrobes and the drawers. So yeah, everything else that was outside a wardrobe and outside a drawer is out here. Gosh, this house is in a mess. My office is looking so bright. Good. Look at how many missed colors. Hey, God is good. Oh yeah, we need to remove that TV. I forgot though. This is Mia's room. See all these dirty patches. So many dirty patches. Just want them to, yeah, give it a fresh coat of paint. Oh. This thing is also an excuse to clean, Sha, because what is this dirt? Yeah, so let's get on with this one. The white is whitened. Love it. Everywhere is so bright. Ah, I love it. Drawer over there. I have this one over here. And then everywhere is looking clean. We need to remop again. Mopping. This place is a mess. What? This work today. I don't know if they work with plenty like this.
Feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on.
Thank you, baby. Bring down hammer because they removed all my nails. What happened today?
Nothing happened in school.
No, but I mean, what did you say happened in your room?
Nothing.
You said they painted your room. Is not what you just said.
They painted my room and so that they're going to put an AC.
Yeah. Thank you. This is cute. And this one. So I've got here. Then I want to be in this corner. Yep. Yep. Yeah, that's pretty. It's gorgeous. So quite big. This looks so real. Like they look so natural.
My friend.
Who's your friend? Someone is going to the bedroom. Thanks, dear.
Mommy, you're looking for me.
No, ma. Thank you.
Wow, Mommy is beautiful.
Do you like it?
Mm.
Yeah.
Mommy, the lips is a little bit lost.
Is it a little bit what? It's pretty in the bedroom.
Waka, waka, eh, eh.
Mia, you're making noise. You're making noise.
I want to sing.
Singer.
Eh, eh, waka, waka, eh, eh. La, 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 la.
This is cute. It's just right next to my bedside. I think I should move it into the corner a little bit.
Mom,
Yes.
Mom,
Yes.
look at this plant. It's too small.
It's not. It's too small. No, it's not. I think it's cute by the bedside. I think it's pretty.
Wow, wow.
What's this? Yeah. That's gorgeous. I love it. Looks good. Looks good.
I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. The feeling is all gone. The feeling is all gone. If I could take you back to my youth and show you what I wish I knew. My will is strong with a place to lean. In the moment I hung desperately. The other ring on my wrist is gold, pairing with the light it holds. When I return from my skin and bones, I'm remembering the words you told me. Hold on, put me together, take
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Daddy cleaned your room up. Oh, Mama. Do you like it? It is?
I have my best color clean.
Yeah. Oh, then we had the AC installed today. AC was
I
installed
look at my
today.
bed everywhere.
Yeah, AC was cooling.
Oh. Sit on your bed. Ooh. So, we did a little bit of a revamp on your room. And do you like it?
I want to.
You want to what?
Let me close.
You want to take a shower? Wow, this duvet set is so pretty. Mama. Oh.
Mommy, if I like that, you're so beautiful.
But I usually move it from.
And
Yes,
even
like
Teddy.
space to cover the space.
And even
For
Teddy.
her.
Okay guys, so how are you guys doing? I just thought to come and chit chat with you guys a little bit. I think this is kind of my mini renovation vlog thing. I got back and you guys know how you get back into your space and everything is just looking a bit wonky, or you're just tired of your space and you want something fresh, you want something new, you just want to feel like you are in a new space where you are not. And honestly speaking, when I got back home, that was how I felt. Obviously, I told you guys at the beginning, one of my most prized plants was killed and a couple of other things, even in my bedroom, like my snake plants had already, like, so I'm just like, you know what, I need to, you know, do a couple of things. I need to do more lasting things, more lasting aesthetic things. So I went with, you know, artificial plants. And you know, these things, they are quite expensive, to be honest. Artificial plants are really expensive. Like, I spent over 150,000 naira on the 3 plants I got, but I feel like it was worth it because the way they are is the way they are going to stay. I didn't have to buy new planters. I kind of repurposed my, you know, raffia planters. I think the only planter I bought new was the white one where one of the plants in the living room is sitting in. Every other planter is what I had before. You know, it's just giving my space a kind of new vibe, you know. I also didn't vlog this, but I had the walls in my living room cleaned as well. I just had them cleaned out, you know, so that the white can white some more. And yeah, there are still a couple of things that we're going to put in place as time goes on. You know, we're doing some new furniture here and there, just putting 1 or 2 new things here and there, just so that you have a feel of, you know, your space feeling brand new when it's not really brand new. Does that make any sense? So funny, every time I see online, you know, people leave in the comments of some certain kind of videos or something saying, oh, you're not meant to do too much work in a house that was rented, or wait until, you know, you build your house or you buy your house. Which, to be honest, the end goal, I mean, the end goal for everyone is to own their own house someday, whether built or bought. But I feel like before you eventually buy a house or before you eventually build a house, I feel like it's a fantastic idea to make your space as comfortable and as livable as possible. That's my own mantra. I don't know about you, but that's my own mantra. Me, for one, see, if my space is comfy as hell and cozy as hell, I will not be stepping out of my house if I don't have to. Like, legit, to be honest, I am such a homegirl. I hardly ever leave my house except I have to go out and make money. That's it. Most times I'm always at home. Why? Because I've made my home in such a way that I don't have to always be hurrying to step out. No, in my house I can do my Netflix and chilling, and have the feeling of being on a staycation when I'm not. Build house one day. We shall build house one day. That's our prayer. That's everyone's prayer, to be honest. Building your own personal house or buying your own personal house. So we shall build or buy one day, but in the meantime, my rented apartment has to look a certain way. That's just it. Okay, it has to look pink, it has to look good. I don't mind spending money on making my apartment to look good. Okay, for the longest time, Mia has been sharing this bedroom with us because we hadn't put an AC in her bedroom up until just recently. You guys would have seen that in the last few clips. And you know, ever since we repainted her room feels so brand new. We repainted her room, we installed the AC, her dad bought her a new duvet and bed sheet set. She's enjoying herself. Like, in the last couple of days, Mia does not want to have anything to do with my bedroom anymore. She doesn't come here anymore. The space that I was craving, she has given me my space fully. Like, I was not even prepared for how easily she was going to detach herself from our bedroom, but she has like this, you know. So that's a good thing. That's a good thing, you know. Imagine that there was just a fresh coat of paint and a new AC that's had to make her interested in her room again. Like, that's great, right? So anyway, that's about that. I think most likely when I am done putting certain things in place, if at all I'm going to put 1 or 2 new things in place eventually, maybe later down the line I'll do like a home update kind of video, or like a house update tour, or a house store update or something like that. But by the time I'm done putting every other thing I want to put in place, I will probably do like a house update tour like later. But definitely, as I'm doing new things, you guys will definitely see as well, most likely. Fingers crossed, you guys will definitely see. But yeah, nothing too major. I'm not changing anything major. I'm not changing flooring. I'm not changing anything. I've done the paint work I want to do, and I don't think I'm going to do anything major, but just putting new pieces here and there, and then maybe along the line I'll do like a house update tour for you guys. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog. This was just a very rough put together. I'm not sure how this vlog looks, but I hope it was quite interesting, and hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you enjoyed watching, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video because somebody might find it very interesting to watch. All right, I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.